Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this Burlington Coat Factory deep conditioner that I got. It's called the Aunt Jackie's Cocoa Repair Hair Mask. So I had this actually for a long time and I decided why not try it out during this quarantine, give my hair a little bit of moisture. So I paid about $4.99 for it. Yeah, it was real cheap. So I was like, let me grab it up just to test it. It can't hurt. It was cheap. If I don't like it, I ain't gotta use it again. So getting right into it, I am taking down a piece of my hair that is like very dry, very dry. I washed it about a week ago, and in washing it, I didn't put any moisturizer on it at all. But here I'm just re-wetting it so the deep conditioner can get through more evenly. Yeah, my hair was pretty dry. So this is the consistency. It's pretty thick. It's pretty thick. And that's what it. And initially putting it on my hair, I was shocked. I was shocked because it was really soft. Now Aunt Jackie, that brand, I like Aunt Jackie. I like their stuff. I feel like I want to try more of their products, but you can see by my face right here that I actually like the product. Yeah, getting back to it. Putting it on, it was really soft. It was really smooth going on my hair. Now, initially, I didn't know what to expect. I usually can tell if I'm going to like a deep conditioner or not even by looking at the ingredients, but looking at the consistency itself. And I don't know, I didn't know what to expect, but I was thoroughly surprised by the application of this product. And this is just a close-up shot of the deep conditioner. Don't mind my face. I was just watching a documentary in the mirror, so I was like really into it because that's what I always do when I deep conditioning. So initially going on, it was pretty nice. It was okay, but I mean, yeah, it was smoothing down nicely. It felt really soft, really smooth in my hair, and I actually felt like I could detangle with it if I wanted to, but I don't usually detangle with a deep conditioner. So that's me just doing another test. I just wanted to see how it's gonna feel on another piece, see what it would look like on another piece of my head. And it's just me twisting it up. Yeah, but it was okay initially going on. But when I washed it out, that was a different story. So I left the deep conditioner in for about maybe 2.5 hours, and when I rinsed it out, I was kind of disappointed. Rinsing it out, my hair felt very dry. It felt very dry. It felt very, for some reason it felt stripped. I don't know why my hair felt stripped, but I was excited for it initially, but then it let me down. But that's about it. I mean, if you see this deep conditioner, you want to give it a try, I would say go ahead. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give the deep conditioner about a 4. Yeah, I give it a 4. I mean, it's okay if you don't got nothing and you just need something to deep condition your hair with, but this is not something I'm going to put on my hair product haul shopping list. But that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them below. And